Welcome back. Today I am going to show you how easy it is to submit an AI job within LiCO using a no-code template. For this purpose, I will go to Submit Job, and then I will go to Train and click on it, and this template will pop up. The system has automatically given a name to the job. I can now just browse for a workspace folder and select the one I want. And then I can select one of the network topologies listed here for image classification. In this case, I will use a residual network. Then I will locate my dataset directory. I can define my hyperparameters, and more importantly, I can define the resources I want to use. In this case, I will select this compute queue. I will then have a real-time visualization of the resources available. I can select number of nodes I want to use, and I can even choose if I want to use exclusively the nodes or if I want to use just part of the CPU cores in my system for optimizing the utilization and total cost of ownership. I can also define how many GPUs I want to use and for what duration. In the advanced settings, I can select the optimizer type. In this case, I'm going to use stochastic gradient descent, and I will just submit the job. Once submitted, the job will start to run and will be directed to the job window, and I can see the processes running with utilization information. Importantly, we can also integrate TensorBoard to have a real-time view of the training, process, and performance.